May kakilala ako na maliit na negosyante, a restaurant owner sa Cebu. Small business lang, around 9 employees. Maganda yung food, loyal yung regulars, but from time to time, merong isang customer, na pumupunta. And there will be time na every week, mapapadalas yung customer naman na yun. So, every week, may reklamo. Malamig yung food, ang tagal ng service, tapos magpo-post pa sa social media. And every single time, yung owner, of course, nag-a-adjust, right? Free meal, discount, special treatment. Kasi takot siya sa bad review eh. Hostage siya. So, in 6 months, umalis tuloy yung dalawa niyang best staff. And sabi nila, boss, pagod na kami. Lagi kaming pinapagalitan dahil sa isang tao na hindi naman natin mapasaya kahit anong gawin natin. And so, nag-decide itong business owner, kinausap niya yung customer. Professionally, respectfully of course. And sinabi niya, sir, I think hindi na kami yung right fit for you. I'm gonna refund your last meal, pero I think mas magiging happy ka sa ibang restaurant. Of course, na-shock yung customer. So, ano nangyari? Umalis yung customer. But yung 2 employees, napakiusapan at bumalik. Yung team moral, bumalik. Yung sales, after 2 months, tumaas ng 15%. Hindi dahil sa marketing. Dahil yung team, finally, they felt protected. And protected teams perform.